This time, the tiny home has a bright white theme with dark blue accents, giving the impression of being bright, simple but still elegant on the exterior, and it has a double entry door, several windows, and a small deck in the back for maintenance and a place to relax. Most of the walls of the house are painted bright white with dark blue accents. There are several windows in the house to maximize air circulation and the daylighting. Love bed is quite an effective choice because it maximizes the ground floor for long-term placement of cabinets and furniture for daily needs. Even though the bed is in the loft bed, it still has a small window for air circulation like the room on the ground floor. The small table and several pieces of furniture make it easier for residents to move around and allow for flexible adjustment of several cabinets in the future. The choice of wooden flooring gives a warm and homey impression to the interior space. The small kitchen area has storage shelves and multifunctional seating with bright color nuance and a little navy blue accents. It gives harmony to the basic theme of this tiny house, and the soft carpet on the floor also acts as a floor protector and minimize slippage for residents such as liquid spills from activities in the open layout kitchen. The feel of the bathroom in this tiny house is bright with a little dark blue accent and with facilities in the form of a bathtub, sink, mirror, toilet, and shower. It is enough to meet your daily bathroom equipment needs, and it is important to have an exhaust fan to maintain air circulation in the bathroom so that it is not damp and sucks the bathroom air out of the room. In this case, even though this is a tiny house on wheels, it is still needs special treatment in the design, especially crucial space such as a kitchen and bathroom, and where both space needs good air management so that they can be used in the long term. And with a design like this, both in terms of the bright home theme with a few dark blue accents to the room arrangement and some of the existing equipment. What do you think about your opinion about this design? And please write in the comment column below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And just look forward to our video in the next content. And thank you for watching this video until the end of this episode. Bye bye.